Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to hide this page title in your WordPress website. So you need to install a plugin. You can go from here as well as you can go from your website dashboard. Then scroll down, you need to go in plugin sections and install a free plugin. You can search for hide title. And this is the plugin. Here you can see 7,000 plus active installations, so you can hide titles for any page, any post. So now click on install button and then click on activate. So now you can go and let's reload this page. Then click on edit page. And on the right side scroll down. Here you can see this one, hide title. Then click on update. Now you can go here and reload this page. So now title is hidden. In this way you can easily remove title from any page.